Hey, hello all, it's Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Just out doing my 420 hour. Friday, happy Friday. Here on Vancouver Island, doing my 420. Happy 420 y'all. Got a buddy on a quad just going by. And we got Genghis just doing my walk here. So yeah, I'll show you. Just beautiful Friday today. Happy Friday all. And yeah, we're just out and about. Sun's going down again. Doing the 420 trail walk. Good old Genghis over there. Hey boy. Ha ha. So yeah, we have a little bit of burning down there. All right, happy 420 all. Peace out.